Hey guys, welcome to another Open Tech Studios video. In today's video, I've got two PlayStation 4 controllers that are both broken with different issues, and I'm going to try to fix one of them, and I hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to get right into this. So what's wrong with this one is all the buttons work fine. It turns on and everything. As you can see there's the light. So it works perfectly fine, but the stick, maybe you guys can see that, it's broken. There you go. It's completely broken. It works, but it's all shattered. It's uncomfortable, like the rubber's peeling off. It's just a mess. So I'm going to take this stick off because this stick is peeling off and put it on there. That's the plan anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking these apart. I've never taken one apart. If I was smart about this, I would look at an iFixit breakdown, but I'm gonna YOLO this because I have nothing to lose. So, get my screwdriver. These appear to just be normal Phillips. That's a really big surprise. So let's get a Phillips head. Probably a number 00. Looks like that's gonna work. There's a little bit of gunk in the heads of these, so I'm going to try to like brush them out here with my nylon bristled brush. In case you're wondering what all this white stuff is, my dad does models and he paints and stuff, and that's what that is. So I'm going to ahead and try to take these out now. I've got my magnetic tray here also. I've also got my magnetics part tray here, and I just got a dry erase marker so I can write what the screws go to. These are coming out nicely. I don't know how old this controller is because the label that was on it has peeled off, but this is not a very new controller. This is a decently old one. And it's been dropped and all kinds of stuff, so I'm not surprised that the thing broke on it. The issue with the other one, this is the one I'm fixing, the issue with this one is, one, the battery won't charge. I don't know if it's the port or if it's the battery. And one of these triggers, it's this one, is like broken. You can see how it's like separated there. Don't know why, but it doesn't work. Oh no, it's this one. So it's like sticky and not working. So I think I got it separated. I do. I'm gonna grab an opening pick and slide it in, work my way around it, just like this. So, thing to be cautious of here is there is a ribbon cable in here, so don't tear it. And actually, I am going to try to swap the battery in this, because the battery is in the very front, and I'm going to have to unscrew a lot of other stuff, and this just has a simple clip. So I'm going to try that first. Just wiggle the connector out, pull it up. So I'm going to sit this one off to the side, and I should be able to swap the trigger. It should just come out. So that is something I did not think about, was the trigger having an issue. It was this one that was doing it. These might not come out, and if they don't, that's going to be a pain. Yeah. Alright, I'm not going to worry about that. I'm just going to, I'm going to swap the joysticks. I think that's, because I don't think those triggers come out. I think that's my only way to do this. So, trying to see how these come out. There's a screw right here. Looks like there's only one screw. Yep. Okay. So this just pulls right up. So now I'm going to take this one apart. Same thing. 4 screws in the back. Now this one is newer, and it was made, I think it says on these stickers. This sticker's worn out though, and I don't know. Made in China. This is newer though. I remember us getting this. This is at least, at the very most, 4 years old, this base controller. Only issue I've had with my Xbox controller was one of the things got sticky because I spilled something on it. So I took the batteries out, let it sit for a day, and then I took the batteries out, let it sit for a day, and then interesting. Anyways, I took the batteries out, I let it sit for a day, and then it I opened it up, washed it with some water, dried it off, and then after it dried, I put it back together and it all worked fine. try to just rotate it up and out. Just pull that off. Put that one on. And just push it back in. Like that. Check all the buttons. Okay, so that seems to be working, so I'm gonna put this guy back like that. This one had the silver screw, not that it matters. I'm gonna magnetize this with the magnetizer. Thank God these are ferrous screws. All right. Thing for computer companies and manufacturers and OEMs. Why would you make screws or buy screws that are non-ferrous? Is it cheaper? Is that why? Because it just makes people mad that repair stuff. That's all it does. It just makes us mad. Because it makes it very difficult to handle screws, especially when they're so small. Okay, moment of truth. I'm going to plug this battery pack back in, stick it back, get the cover, and I'm actually gonna put the black one on here. Well, I can't because that trigger's broken. Yeah. I'm gonna put this one back on here. So get the tweezers, grab the connector, make sure you're laying it up the right way. Here we go. Seems to be working. I'm gonna take it out here. Maybe if I can. Okay. So I'm gonna take y'all with me. Alright, so here's the controller. Haven't screwed it back together yet. Light. It works. So I'm gonna go here. And check most of the buttons here. Left, right on the D-pad, up, down works. Left on the left stick, right, up, down, down. Square works. Options work. Share probably, okay, it does work. Enter. PlayStation button works. Triangle works. Works great. I'm gonna go put this back together now. Yay, my dad's gonna be so happy that I fixed it. Alright, so we get the back screws. Just until they're snug, because you strip these out real easy. I'm going to do a cross pattern. Because it is only screwing into plastic, so. All right. That was the old one. That about wraps it up for this video. It fully works. Feels great. So, thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day.